This is the granulator. It shreds plastic. You throw it in the top, it shoots out the bottom. So you'll be taking failed prints from the Dunn-Richmond Center, engineering, our department, all these other departments, shredding it up with this thing, taking that shredded material, and then putting it into the extruder, which we have in the SAM lab, and making filament with it, basically recycling all the failed prints. Alright, so this is 404 3D PLA. This is what you're going to use to mix in with the MakerBot filament and the recycled PLA that you get from everything around campus. And make sure you don't mix it with anything because it'll screw up the filament. And this one is the 3D 850 PLA, which you're not going to use for anything unless you create it from scratch, because basically it has a higher deformation temp than anything else. So you're going to want to, if you're going to make anything with this at all, you need to isolate it from anything else. This is your ABS pellet, same thing. Can't mix it with the other stuff. So to summarize, you're going to want to use this stuff. It's called 404 3D PLA. So this is everything I've sort of laid out and put into little containers, so that way it's easy to see what it is. Right here I've got a bunch of spare nozzles, and we've got some different diameters, and basically what these do is they extrude the filament at a certain diameter. This is the 1.75, the 2.85, the 3, and I'm not sure what that is. I think this is just, I don't know. But yeah, these are the spare nozzles. This is the 403D PLA. As stated previously, this is the kind of PLA that you're going to use with the MakerBot PLA and all the recycled PLA that you get across campus. Most of the stuff that we use, at least right now, is 404 3D. And these are all virgin granules, which means that they haven't been used before. They're fresh, new plastic. This is 3D 850 PLA. It's got a different extrusion temperature and a different print temperature. This one's the lowest. This one is, in terms of the PLA, this one's the highest. And then you got ABS here. And you don't want to mix any of these. So different extrusion temperatures, different print temperatures. I would definitely read these when you're printing or extruding. And then right here we've got the high temp purge compound. And then the low temp purge compound. You're going to want to use this when switching materials. For instance, if I'm extruding, let me get this here. If I'm extruding a 404 3D PLA, make some filament, and then want to switch to 3D 850 PLA, I'm going to want to purge it with this stuff first and make sure all the material from the 404 3D PLA is out of it. So, and then you've got your ABS colorant, which I've labeled everything in red because everything that's ABS, everything that goes along with the ABS, it's gonna be in red. PLA colorant, low temp purge compound. Low temp you're going to use with PLA, high temp you're going to use with ABS. So here's just a quick overview of the system. You've got your main power, your temperature control, and your extrusion button. And then you've got a main hopper that the plastic will go through. It goes through the auger and runs through the nozzle and is extruded into filament. And after that, you're going to put it through the hole, and it's going to be driven by those two rubber wheels and then subsequently spooled. You've got your two controls there, your traverse nozzle knob and your drive knob.